Welcome to the in front of me Asus ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Google application. Right there on the right upper corner, tap to the icon and go to the settings. Here you'll see the voice section. Now just tap to the voice match, and here you'll see the Hey Google switcher. Just to turn it on, tap once on the switcher. Now just tap to next, click yes I agree, pick continue, and as can you see, your Hey Google option is activated now. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.